You've been over, visited me. I know your kids. Is this being passed on?
Yes. Our 2-year-old right now, I'll say, how old are you? And she goes, I'm 4.5, which is her older sister's 4.5. And I go, no, you're not. You're not 4.5. And then she grabs my face and goes, 4.5.
That was also kind of a Schwarzenegger a little bit.
Yeah. I'm 4.5, father.
Back in 2015, Apple acquired Zurich-based startup FACESHIFT, a company that developed markerless motion capture software capable of creating avatars in real time. Its main focus was on visual effects in gaming and film. FACESHIFT Studio was a game changer in the costly and time-consuming realm of animation technology. For example, creating the detailed facial expressions in James Cameron's Avatar required actors to wear motion capture suits and have dots painted on their face. FACESHIFT Studio made it possible to produce motion capture animation at every desk. Creators Hal Lee and Brian Amberg, and others who now work at Apple, wanted to use algorithms to track facial movements instead of markers, a very difficult feat. For a machine to understand facial movement, it needs to understand the many ways a face can look. So back in the mid-2000s, 3D depth sensing cameras were sophisticated enough to track details of the face. The problem was getting the computers to understand the information. To solve this problem, Lee and his team trained their algorithms on a set of faces and expressions that allow them to build statistical 3D models that describe what a face looks like across populations and environments. With that model, the algorithm could easily match itself to a face and create an avatar that mirrors facial expressions in real time. FACESHIFT's potential was massive. It gave animators the ability to animate an entire cartoon without any actors or specialized hardware. Along with FACESHIFT, Apple acquired PrimeSense, makers of some of the best 3D sensors on the market, in addition to Perceptio and Mateo, companies that developed image recognition and augmented reality motion capture technology, similar to FACESHIFT. At the time, these purchases made little sense to the tech community and Apple fans, until Apple released their iPhoneX, equipped with new face tracking technology which allowed users to unlock their phones with their face or have their face transformed into multiple animojis. Apple just released their new iPhone 11 and 11 Pro, featuring an enhanced version of Face ID said to be 30% faster than previous iterations with improved performance from distances. For more prime examples of what apps like FACESHIFT can do, look no further than a YouTube channel called Control-Shift-Face, which consistently freaks me out and makes me laugh at the same time.
You know, Ben Stiller, Jack Black, Robert Downey Jr., everybody, and at the end is like me. Like, you know, like, hey, just happy to be here, guys. You know, like, and some other supporting guys. And then Tom Cruise walks in. My God. And even those guys are like, whoa, and he's super stoked to be there. You know, just like, yeah, oh, boom. You know, like, he's like...